On my high school career, it definitely improved my grades a lot because I started taking them, and they're one of the few classes I actually did extraordinary in. Um, so in terms of that, they really helped. I was able to go through game design 1 immediately and switch to game design 2, and then after that, I started taking the robotics classes and all that. It really made a difference in my high school career. Because of doing all that, I was able to learn from Miss Gear how to solder, and I started working with things like Arduinos, and now I'm going to be doing electrical engineering in the Marine Corps, which is definitely a huge impact on my future. It is definitely one of the most valuable resources we have at this school, I would think. It's the future. There's not a single thing we do in our world that doesn't involve some piece of electronics. We're always on our phones, we're always on our computers. It's good to see how those work and how it started. They're a little bit more free, like you can just kind of do what you want. With math and history and science, all that, it's usually like they're looking for one straight answer every time. But with the robotics classes, they want you to be creative, intuitive. They want you to find your own way to solve the problem. Or like with programming for the game classes, like you have to come up with your own original ideas, your own artwork, and all that. And it really inspires you to be far more creative than math would. Proud of definitely being able to go through Game Design 1 in one day and then going on to Game Design 2. That was one of my proudest moments. Well, I definitely, like I said, through soldering, I was able to learn Arduino. I had found out about languages I didn't know existed. I know fragments of Java and C++ and C and Robot C, and the list just goes on. But I was able to figure out how to control a robot with this code. I was able to figure out how to control an AI with this code, and it makes a huge difference.